So it was a ploy. It was a ruse. It was an April Fool's Day gag. A bit that we were doing. A few people got it, but most people didn't. Those are going to be the angry people, the people that didn't understand. We took the motorcycle to the Honda guy yesterday. He's like, ooh, doesn't look good. But today, Bert is going to take it down there, and very unusually, they're going to let him work on his bike inside their shop and take direction from them, from the Honda experts, to try to save him a little bit of cash so he can jump in line without getting in the way of the regular customers. And that's all we got. I'll probably go by and see that craziness today. Good luck.
Thank you.
Lots of throttle. Lots of throttle.